Just a breeze will mush your hair, but you smile away each little care. And if the rain should make you blue, you say tomorrow is anew. Blue be your eyes, blonde your hair, you realize beyond a care. Life's in a hurry, but you've got no worries. You're so mystifyingly glad. I'm Mr. Dieingly sad. And when the leaves begin to fall, answering old winter's call, I feel my tears, they fall like rain, weeping forth the sad refrain. Blue, dark and dim it may seem, you mark a grin, a moonbeam brightens your smile. Pray tell me how all the while you can be so mystifyingly glad. I'm Mr. Dieingly sad. You say, take my hand and walk with me. Wake this land and stop the sea. Show me love, unlock all doors. I'm yours. Then the tide rolls up to shore. I whisper low, I love you more than even you could know. Adore me, do so I could show. I'm so mystifyingly glad, not Mr. Dieingly sad.